Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video, discuss about straight lines topic, objective type questions, IIT, JEE, mains. Now discuss about question number 46. The number of integral values of m for which x coordinate of point of intersection of the lines 3x plus 4y equal to 9 and y is equal to mx plus 1 is also an integer. Here to observe that two lines are there, 3x plus 4y equal to 9, plus 9 becomes minus 9. The lines 3x plus 4y minus 9 equal to 0. This is one equation. Second line, y is equal to mx plus 1. It is converted into ax plus by plus c equal to 0. mx plus y becomes minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is second equation. In these questions, these two lines, first line, second line, intersect at point P. The number of integral values of m. Here, m value becomes integer. X coordinate also integer. The point of integration of x coordinate is also integer. How many number of integral values? If m is a integer form and x is also a integer form, how many number of values? Options, first option second option 0, third option 11, fourth option, third option 4, fourth option 11. First to find the point of iteration of 1 and 2. Let P equal to point of intersection of 1 and 2. Let P equal to point of intersection of 1 and 2. 3, 4, minus 9, 3. M, minus 1, 1, M. 1, X, Y. 1 by 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 4m. X by 4 into 1, 4, minus 9, minus 1, plus 9, here formula minus is there, minus 9. Y is equal to y by minus 9m minus 3. 1 by minus is common, 3 plus 4m, 4 minus 9, minus 5, x by minus 5. Here also minus common, 9m plus 3. X equal to minus get cancelled, 5 by 3 plus 4m. Minus get cancelled, y is equal to 9m plus 3 by 3 plus 4m. This is the point of direction of the point P. Here, x coordinate is a integer value. Integer value means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on infinitive, or minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on infinitive. Here, given x coordinate is an integer, and m also integer. The x coordinate value is x coordinate 5 by 3 plus 4m. To observe that 3 plus 4m, this entire value is 1, 5 by 1, x value 5. Suppose 3 plus 4m is equal to 2, 5 by 2, 5 by 2 not integer. 3 plus 4m equal to 3, 5 by 3 not integer. 3 plus 4m, the center value equal to 4, 5 by 4 not integer. 3 plus 4m equal to 5, 5 divided by 5 integer. Suppose if 3 plus 4m value is equal to plus or minus 1 or you take plus or minus 5. 3 plus 4m entire value is 3 plus 4m value is equal to 1, 5 by 1, x equal to 5. 3 plus 4m value is equal to 5, 5 divided by 5, 1. That is also integer. 3 plus 4m equal to minus 1, 5 by minus 1, minus 5. 3 plus 4m equal to minus 5, 5 divided by minus 5, minus 1. Suppose you take 3 plus 4m is equal to minus 1. You take 3 plus 4m equal to minus 1. 4m equal to minus 1 plus 3 becomes minus 3, minus 4. M equal to minus 1. This is integer value. 3 plus 4m, 3 plus 4m equal to minus 5. 3 plus 4m equal to minus 5. Plus 3 becomes minus 3. 4m equal to minus 8. 4, 2. M equal to minus 2. Here to observe that 3 plus 4m equal to minus 1, m value integer. 3 plus 4m equal to minus 5, m equal to minus 2. If 3 plus 4m you take minus 1. Suppose m is equal to minus 1, substitute the center value equal to minus 1. X also integer. 3 plus 4m is equal to minus 5. So 3 plus 4m, m is equal to minus 2. The center value is minus 5. 5 divided by minus 5, x equal to minus 1. This is also integer. If the values minus 1 comma minus 5, you take m value integer and x value integer. Suppose plus 1 plus 5 take plus 1. 3 plus 4m is equal to plus 1. 4m. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 minus 2. M is equal to minus 2 by 4, 1 by 2. Does not belongs to integer. Next, 3 plus 4m equal to 5. 4m equal to 5 minus 3, 2. M equal to 2 by 4, 1 by 2. Does not belongs to integer. 3 plus 4m equal to 1, m does not belongs to integer. 3 plus 4m equal to 5, m does not belongs to integer. If suppose 3 plus 4m is equal to minus 1, m is integer. 3 plus 4m is equal to minus 5, m also integer. X also integer. How many number of values are possible? 2 values. The values are 3 plus 4m equal to minus 1 and minus 5. X coordinate is integer, m also integer. Number of values minus 1, minus 5, 2. Question number 47. The line parallel to the x-axis and passing through the intersection of the lines ax plus 2by plus 3b equal to 0 and bx minus 2ay minus 3a equal to 0, where a comma b does not equal to 0 comma 0. Here the 4 options are given. In this question, 2 lines are given. Given lines ax plus 2by plus 3b equal to 0. This is first line. Second line, bx minus 2ay minus 3a equal to 0. This is second line. Here the two lines are intersect. First to find the point of intersection. Let p equal to point of intersection of 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2 equations, x coefficient a, y coefficient 2b, constant 3b, and x coefficient a. Second equation, x coefficient b, y coefficient minus 2a, constant minus 3a, and last b, 1 x y, 1 by minus 2 into minus 2a square, minus 2a square, here minus 2b square, x by minus 3a into 2, minus 6ab, here also minus 6ab, in formula minus is there, plus 6ab, plus 6ab, y by 3b square, here minus 3a square plus 3a square, minus 3a square plus 3a square, 1 by minus 2 is common, a square plus b square, a square plus b square, minus 6ab plus 6ab cancel, x by 0, here 3 is common, a square plus b square, equate this to x value equal to 0, x value equal to 0, equate 1 by minus 2 into a square plus b square equal to y by 3 into a square plus b square, a square plus b square, a square plus b square cancelled, y equal to minus 3 by 2, y equal to minus 3 by 2. Here the point of intersection of line is 0 comma minus 3 by 2. In this question, the line parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means y is equal to k form. The line parallel to x-axis. X-axis, you take y is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the answer. Y is equal to minus 3 by 2 means this is x-axis, this is y-axis 0, above the x-axis positive numbers, below the x-axis negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 3 by 2 means minus 1.5. This is the minus 3 by 2. This is the line y is equal to minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1.5, minus 3 by 2, minus 1, minus 3 by 2. This is the line y is equal to minus 3 by 2. In option, below the x-axis at a distance of 3 by 2 from it, third option. Below the x-axis at a distance of 3 by 2 from it. For question number 48, if A comma B comma C form a GP with common ratio or the sum of the ordinates of the points of intersection of the line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0 and the curve x plus 2y square equal to 0. Here the four option. First option minus r by 2, second option minus r square by 2, third option r by 2, fourth option r square by 2. In this question, A comma B comma C are in GP. GP condition B square equal to AC. Common ratio is equal to R. B by A, common ratio means second term divided by first term. B by A is equal to small r. B by A is equal to small r. Here line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. This is the line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. This is equation 1. And curve x plus 2y square equal to 0. These two are intersect. In this question, the sum of the ordinate means y coordinate, or point of interaction. Solving 1 and 2, we get to point of interaction. X is equal to minus 2y square in equation 1. X is equal to minus 2y square in equation 1. A into, in x substitute minus 2y square plus by plus c equal to 0. Minus 2ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. Multiply with minus 2ay square minus by minus c equal to 0. Here the answers are all in common ratio. B by A value is R. Entire equation divided by A, 2y square, B by AY, C by A equal to 0. B by A value is equal to R. To find C by A value, B square equal to AC divided by A square, both sides divided by A square, B square by A square, B square by A square, AC by A square. Here A cancelled. This is B by A whole square. C by A cancelled. B by A equal to R. B by A equal to R. In B by A substitute R. R square equal to C by A. 2y square. B by A equal to R minus RY. C by A equal to R square minus R square. Here quadratic equation y square y constant. Y square y constant. The roots are, if the equation is quadratic, roots are, two roots are there. Let y1 and y2 are two roots. Y square coefficient A equal to 2, y coefficient B equal to minus R, C equal to minus R square. In this question, to find the sum of the ordinates alpha plus beta, here to find y1 plus y2, formula minus b by a. Here minus b value is minus r, minus plus r, a value is 2. Sum of the ordinates, y coordinates, ordinates means y coordinates. Sum of the ordinates y1 plus y2 is equal to r by 2. That is, third option is right. Question number 49. Consider a family of straight lines x plus y plus lambda 2x minus 5 plus 1 equal to 0. Find the equation of the straight line belonging to this family, that is farthest from 1 comma minus 3. Here the 4 options are given. In this question, family of straight lines L1 plus lambda L2 form is given. X plus y plus lambda 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. First equation L1 x plus y equal to 0. This is equation 1. Second one L2 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is second equation. Here these two lines are intersect. This is point P. To find this equation of line, the line passing through this equation of line. In this question, from this family of lines, one point is farthest. Let it be Q 1 comma minus 3. Farthest point is given in family of lines. These are the family of lines, means all lines are passing through same point. If the family of lines is given, the farthest point means that point is perpendicular to the line passing through P. That line is perpendicular to the line passing through P. Here let Q is equal to 1 comma minus 3. First find the point of intersection of P, solving 1 and 2. Let P equal to point of intersection of 1 and 2. Point of intersection of 1 and 2. 1 x coefficient 1, y coefficient 1, 0 1, 1 and 2. Second equation 2 minus 1 1 2, 1 x y, 1 by 1 into minus 1 minus 2, x by here 1 into 1 1, 0, y by 0 into 2, 0 minus 1, 1 by minus 3, x by 1, y by minus 1, 1 minus 0 1, y by minus 1. Equate these two. X equal to minus 1 by 3, equal to 1 by minus 3 and y by minus 1, minus get cancelled, y is equal to 1 by 3. The point P equal to minus 1 by 3 comma minus 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3. The equation of line passing through minus 1 by 3 comma plus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 comma plus 1 by 3. Here in option verification, to check it, minus 1 by 3 apply. 3 1s to 3 2. This is minus 2. This is 5. Minus 2 minus 5. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0. This is the right answer. Point lies on fourth option. Okay. To solve the answer, Q is equal to 1 comma minus 3. Find the slope of PQ. x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. Difference of y coordinates divided by difference of x coordinates. 1 by 3 plus 3. 1 by 3 plus 3. 1 by 3 minus of minus 3 plus 3. Minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. 3 into 3 9. 9 plus 1 10. 3 get cancelled. One step direct. 3 into 3 9. 9 plus 1 10 by 3. 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 by 3. Here get cancelled. 2 5s to 2 2. Minus 5 by 2. To find the perpendicular slope, slope of line passing through P slope of line passing through P minus 1 by slope of PQ. Slope of PQ is minus 5 by 2. Minus minus get cancelled, 2 by 5. If the equation of line passing through P and slope 2 by 5. To check fourth option, slope minus 6 by minus 15. Minus minus cancel, 3 to 3 5s. 2 by 5. Slope is correct. Point also correct. Fourth option is perfectly correct. Equation of line passing through P minus 1 by 3 and M equal to 2 by 5. X1, Y1. Y minus 1 by 3. Y minus 1 by 3. Y minus Y1 is equal to M into 2 by 5 into X plus 2 by 5 into X plus 1 by 3. Formula Y minus Y1. Y1 1 by 3. M 2 by 5. X plus 1 by 3. LCM 3. 3y minus 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 3x plus 1 by 3. This 3 get cancelled. Cross multiply. 5 3s 15y minus 5. 2 into 3 6x plus 2. Plus 15y becomes minus 15y. 6x minus 15y plus 2 minus 5 becomes plus 5. 2 plus 5 plus 7. This is the answer. 6x minus 15y plus 7 equal to 0. Fourth option is the right answer. Question number 50. If the line x equal to a plus m, y equal to minus 2 and y is equal to mx are concurrent, then least value of mod A is, these are the four options. First line, x a plus m becomes minus of a plus m equal to 0. This is equation 1. Minus 2 becomes plus 2. Y plus 2 equal to 0. This is equation 2. Y is equal to mx plus y becomes minus y. Mx minus y equal to 0. This is third one. Here given lines are concurrent. Given lines are concurrent. Given lines are concurrent. That means determinant equal to 0. Here x coefficient is 1. Y coefficient 0, constant minus of a plus m. The second equation x coefficient 0, y coefficient 1, constant 2. In third equation x coefficient m, y coefficient minus 1, constant 0 equal to 0. Apply the debt formula. 1 into 0, 0. Here minus 2 becomes plus 2. 0 into any number is 0. This value is 0. Minus of a plus m. Minus of a plus m. 0 into minus 1. 0 minus m equal to 0. Here the value is 2. 0 minus m minus m. Minus minus plus m into a plus m. 2 plus am plus m square. M into am plus m square. M square, first note down m square. plus am plus 2 equal to 0. Here m is the slope. M always real number. M belongs to always real number. Real number means b square minus 4ac quadratic equation. M square, m constant. Quadratic equation. Here m coefficient, m square coefficient a 1, b small a, c value 2. M belongs to R. If the roots real, b square minus 4ac equal to 0 and greater than 0. b square minus 4ac greater than 0, roots real. b square minus 4ac equal to 0, roots real. Take the condition b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. b square, b value a square minus 4 into a1 c2. a square minus 8 greater than or equal to 0. a square greater than or equal to 8. a greater than or equal to root 8. a greater than or equal to root 8 means plus or minus 2 root 2. Plus or minus represented by mod a. If mod a greater than or equal to 2 root 2, a equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. Here mod a greater than 2 root 2, one condition. Second condition OR mod a equal to 2 root 2. Here mod a equal to 2 root 2. That is third option is right. Okay students, these are the questions for IIT JEE Mains. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section.